Hello friends, let's make some super quick and easy dinner, some chicken chow mein. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut my chicken into some small pieces. I'll be cutting these into some thin strips so they could cook up easily. Now we're going to go ahead and season lightly with some soy sauce and some oyster sauce. Add some sesame oil and a bit of cornstarch. We're going to mix well and set aside to marinate for about 25 minutes or so until we are finished prepping our veggies. So I'll be using carrots, I'll be using some yellow bell peppers, some red bell peppers. Of course, this is a dish where you could add any veggies of choice. You could add some broccoli in here, you could add some sugar snap peas. The veggies are endless. I'll be also adding some carrots to this. You want to go ahead and cut them however big or little you like, but you want to keep them on the smaller side. And I'm going to add some bell peppers here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut up an onion as well. The options for veggies are endless. Just add your favorite veggies. And of course, you can't forget our green onion or scallion, whatever you want to call it. We're going to need a bunch of these. So you're going to cut it up and set aside. Now we're going to go ahead and make that sauce. So I'll be adding in some fresh ginger and garlic, and I'm going to go ahead and grate this. Of course, you could go ahead and mince it, but anyway, it works fine. So in for the sauce, I'll be adding some soy sauce, some sesame oil, some oyster sauce, some cooking wine, and some hoisin sauce, a little bit of water and some cornstarch, and I'm going to mix and set aside, and our sauce is ready. So the cornstarch will thicken it once it's cooking. I'll be using some chow mein noodles. As you can see, it's boiling in the back. And I'm going to go ahead and cook off my chicken. This took roughly about 8 minutes to fully cook. You don't really need a lot of color on this. You just need it to be fully cooked. Once it's fully cooked, you're going to remove it, and we're going to stir fry our veggies. This took roughly about 5 minutes or so just to wilt down a bit because we still want to have some crunch in with our noodles. And we're going to go ahead and mix that well. We're going to add our chicken, and lastly we're going to add our sauce. And of course, the sauce makes everything delicious, and as I mentioned, the sauce will thicken as it's cooking and we add the cornstarch, and there you have it. No need to do takeout every weekend. This is super quick and easy and tasty and so easy to put together. My entire family enjoyed this so much. So once you're finished, you're going to go ahead and add some more green onion for garnish and a little bit of chili. It's totally optional. I had it. I don't mind the spice, so I added. And let me tell you, this was good. Let me tell you, try this recipe and comment down below and let me know what you think about it. This was absolutely delicious. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye now.